Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel Service Expert. Today, we have something extraordinary to share with you all. A sneak peek into the future of family driving, the 2024 Lexus TX SUV. Buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey through luxury, performance and innovation. First impression always matters, and the 2024 TX SUV doesn't disappoint. Just look at this beauty. With its sleek design, bold lines and captivating LED headlights, the TX demands attention on the road. Whether you are cruising through the city or exploring the countryside, this SUV makes a statement wherever it goes. Now, let's step inside and discover the lap of luxury. The interior of the TX is a testament to Lexus' commitment to elegance and comfort. Sitting up to 7 passengers, this SUV offers a spacious cabin with available semi-aniline leather upholstery, providing a touch of sophistication to every drive. But it's not just about the looks, it's about the experience. The TX comes equipped with 10-way power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel and heated second-row seats, ensuring everyone travels in ultimate comfort, no matter the weather outside. Plus, with a power-adjustable steering column and ambient interior lighting, every detail is designed with your pleasure in mind. Let's talk about the tech. The TX boasts a cutting-edge 14.0-inch infotainment display running Lexus' latest interface. It's intuitive, responsive and loaded with features, and here's the game changer. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an in-dash navigation system and a wireless smartphone charging pad. Stay connected effortlessly while on the go. Now, what about performance? The TX offers 3 different powertrains to suit your driving style. From the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in the TX 350 to the impressive 404 horsepower plug-in hybrid system in the TX 550H+, there's a powertrain for every enthusiast. Experience a smooth ride whether you are tackling city streets or embracing the great outdoors. Safety is paramount, and Lexus understands that. The TX comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Whether you are on a family road trip or navigating busy urban roads, you can drive with confidence. As we talk about the conclusion, finally, there you have it, our in-depth look at the sensational 2024 Lexus TX SUV. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade for you and your family. If you are as impressed as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we will catch you in next video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.